Right, here we go. Right, first operation I'm going to do is turning the bottom of this bottle. I've got a hollow, well, I've got to shape the outside, but I can only shape this first half of the outside down to that widest point and hollow down and put a tenon inside there at the height of that straight part of this internal funnel, so that I can reverse chuck it to turn the funnel. Right, so here we go. Leaving it just that side of the line so that when I get the whole thing together and pull back against the faceplate with the drawbar, I can just finalise the overall shape. So turn that off. Right, the reason I've got two tenons, this is rock hard, the reason I've got two tenons on there was to drill. I drilled from either end to the centre, kind of, so that the drill hole could be concentric enough on that mandrel. So I'll do this and then come back when it's swapped round and I'm going to turn the back part of it. Well, I got my bottom of the flask shaped on the outside. I did get a tenon on the inside, but the chuck doors don't reach down deep enough to reach it, so I've ended up making a jam chuck. I'd already turned the tenon off the bottom. It would have been useful to still have that on, so slight change if I did this again. I'd leave that tenon on, completely hollow out the inside, including these bits that go down around this central shaft part, so like there. I'd hollow that out as well while I've still got a tenon on there, and then after that I could swap it round onto a jam chuck as I've done here and turn this funnel. There's a funnel inside it. That's going to be I'm just going to have to double-sided tape and hot glue it, I think, onto a faceplate around that central mandrel. I think that's how I'm going to approach that. It's going to be a bit more difficult, but possible. Alright, next one after. I'll come back when I've done that. Oh. Right, I'm just going to hollow. I've just started actually, I thought the camera was on. Create the internal funnel part of this. Hoping that I don't create a double funnel. diagram, see how far up there I've got to go. There. Tip on my finger, so another few millimetres. I'll do this on camera, for better or for worse. I'm hoping I don't create a double funnel, because that's a little bit more, and then I'll finish this and then come back. I'll come back with the top section, which is that end. Alright, well, that's what we got so far. There's a little funnel inside this, as in the diagram, that little funnel. It's down there for the bend bit to come out and point out towards the top section. So that's the outside of the funnel, that's the inside of the funnel. Could have done with a little sanding, but it was really difficult to sand, and it's totally not visible anyway. So that'll do for that, and I'll come back with the top on the faceplate.